Welcome to Chef Jamie's kitchen. I'm going to show you how to prepare something very nice, very quick, and something worth trying. I'm going to show you how to prepare a chicken Ala Kiev. Basically what you need is chicken breast. Slice your chicken breast horizontally to flatten and make it tender and soft. For our marination, all we need is ginger and garlic paste, mustard paste, soy sauce, black pepper, table salt, and garam masala. For my ginger and garlic paste, I do blend it with corn oil. I'm going to mix my marination very nicely, then lap the chicken inside to make sure that it's marinated well. Then set it aside. In another bowl, combine butter, garlic, ginger, and some herbs. Squeeze in some lemon juice and mix well to mix the flavor. This is very important. Mix well till the flavor are incorporated well into the batter. Nice. Stuff your chicken with the flavored butter and roll the chicken nicely to make sure the marination doesn't throw away. Then I'm going to dust some wheat flour. Nice. I'm going to spread everywhere. Then I'm going to coat the chicken with a whisked egg. The purpose of the egg here acts as a binding agent. I'm going to mix it nicely. Then dip my chicken inside. Roll it to make sure that it's been coated well all over. Nice. This is very important. Then I'm going to coat my chicken inside the breadcrumb. For this case, I have seasoned my breadcrumb with some salt and some herb. I'm going to spread the breadcrumb all over, coat it. To get a crispy chicken breast, I'm going to repeat the same process over and over. Nice. Nice. After this, our chicken is going to be very crispy and very golden brown. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry your chicken with a medium raw heat. Make sure your oil is not hot to avoid the chicken being burnt on outside and inside uncooked. Nice. Your chicken is golden brown and now it's ready to be served. Drain the excess oil. We are going to serve our crispy chicken Ala Kiev with golden brown roast potato. I'm going to cut it into two. Very crispy, you can hear. I'm going to serve it with a side sauce. This is tomato sauce and a dash of mustard paste. And there we go. Nice. Nice. I love the color of this. Bon appetit.